this is a key component of the Attorney General's office, and General Brnovich has been doing a great job with this. Arizona has had record amount of restitution recovered, but really highlighting the fact that going out to the community, and not just the retirement homes, but also rural Americans too, and teaching them how to actually file a consumer fraud complaint, because some of this can be scary, and I want to make sure that the law should not be something that's so far removed. And having that communication at the Attorney General's office, where you're talking to Assistant AG, you're talking to investigators, that it becomes a comfortable situation, because that feeling of being defrauded, whether through it's an individual or private company, we need to make sure that there's actually justice for victims. So I want to make sure that these fake IRS calls that too often are happening, or the ones who are pretending to be power utilities, that make sure that that's actually addressed and prosecute them criminally, but also be able to recover funds for them, for the victims.
When I served as a corporation commissioner, we prosecuted scammers and returned stolen money to victims. As your next AG, I vow to investigate and prosecute these con artists and will restore the funding to do so. After journalist Morgan Lowe exposed the current AG had siphoned millions of dollars away from the Consumer Fraud Fund, I spoke out against this abuse of office. This is a revolving fund, so if the office isn't making it a priority to go after and prosecute these fraudsters, the fund is depleted. I have made this one of my core issues because the AG's office received 15,000 consumer complaints in 2021, and fraud losses increased by more than 70% nationally last year, disproportionately affecting seniors. Arizonans rely on the AG's office to protect them, and I plan to do just that as the next lawyer for the people.